Making shop is about redesigning the way we produce, the way we retail, to allow the last mile production to be in the shop environment, so we won't have to produce until there is a demand for it.
Community design is actually, ironically, something not very new. Back in the 70s and 80s, actually, we called it kampong spirit, which is largely basically communities themselves were responding to whatever issues they had. Maybe of the way that Singapore developed became more and more structural. Communities no longer learn how to respond by themselves. They'll be working with healthcare institutions to see whether or not communities have their own responses to their own healthcare challenges.
The Local Tree project was started to reduce waste and bring value to the community. We want to eradicate the throwaway culture that we have and produce furniture and objects that people feel pride to have.
Our project is about reducing single-use plastic waste from food packaging, mainly deliveries and takeaways. And we focus on hawker centers where a majority of our population eats.
The ongoing R&D at the moment is focused on finding out how we can strengthen and stabilize this timber by using sustainable energy mediums. As this research is heavy on data and scientific tests, we gain many beneficial numbers along the way.
The project recently was really quite challenging because we need to speak to different citizens we may not have personal relationships with. We've had about 190 interviews so far. I would say out of those 190, we've got maybe 30 to 40 really solid interviews where people are willing to speak.
We conducted behavioral research to understand how we can make these containers better for the eating experience. And we also had a number of in-depth interviews with the consumers as well as hawkers.
The Good Design Research sponsorship from Design Singapore Council was really phenomenal in helping us begin to just get a kickstart. It has allowed us as well to move on to building up a strong prototype really to actually pass over to real stakeholders.
As an established brand, we struggle to find time to work on our innovation. Good Design Research initiative allows us to take time off and to work towards our innovation, our ideas, and we must keep innovating in order to move forward.
The Good Design Research Initiative has strengthened our position. This helps improve and differentiate us, allowing us to add value to our products and customers.
We hope to achieve a very polished experience to our customers where they can come and see their products being done in a magical way.
We hope to partner with NEA to implement in hawker centers. We want to see these ideas being rolled out and making positive change.
The hope is really to bring it into other precincts within the country to look at other kinds of problems. It may not be health, it could be mental health, it could be basically youth delinquency.
We're planning to continue working on research and development for our local trees, finding other methods to salvage parts of the trees or byproducts that are normally thrown away. Hopefully, we can create a positive domino effect that drives our sunset industry towards a more circular future.